Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this ring. I like to say thank you to the company for sending us out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see, the ring comes with such a beautiful presentation. It actually comes in a gift box style. It's this emerald green box. It also has some gold outline, so very, very nice. I love how the gold makes it stand out. So this is what the box looks like. So this is perfect if you are gifting this to somebody. So let me go ahead and open it up now so I can show you everything that comes inside of the little gift box. So you do get this little cloth to go ahead and clean your ring. So it's this little microfiber cloth. Next, you get this little snuggie. So if in case the ring does not fit, you get this little snuggie that will allow the ring to fit a little bit more snug. You get a little thank you card from the company, and you also get jewelry care. So it just walks you through how to properly take care of your ring. And then you also get this little card. It just is a certification for your ring. Since this is a Moissanite ring, it gives you a little certification just letting you know the grade. And here we have the ring set. So I'm going to take it out. It comes in a little plastic bag. So if you are gifting it to somebody personally, I would recommend take it out of the little wrapper and place it in the gift box itself. The gift box does have the brand name right here. And then it also has these little slots. So you could go ahead and place the rings on them. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you what that would look like. So it is beautiful. It has those slots. As you could see, this is just the two rings. Look at that presentation. The beautiful shine. Such a beautiful ring. And they do have different sizing options. So you could go ahead and get the proper size. So since there are two rings, if you want, you could use these rings separately. Take a look. Very, very nice rings. Or you could put these rings together. So as you could see the ring right here, you could simply put this one in the middle. Just like that. Now you got yourself an engagement style set. So this is a perfect ring for weddings, anniversaries, Christmas gift. I love the way it sits. Look at that. I love how affordable this ring is. And not only is it affordable, but it's also very luxurious. I love the look. I love the feel. Super, super nice. A very high quality ring. This is 925 sterling silver. It is white gold plated, 2-carat Moissanite ring. Look at that. Just all around, this is a beautiful standout ring. And like I mentioned, you get two for the price of one because you do get both of these rings. Again, you get these two rings, you get a gift box, you get the certification, the microfiber cloth, and the ring snuggie. So overall, if you're looking for the perfect Moissanite ring, if you're looking for an engagement ring set, this is honestly a great option. I'll go ahead and link it down below so you could go ahead and check it out for yourself. And also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.